Chill out, please. Stay. Riley. Oh my god. Hang on, girly. 1 second. My car is a mess. Stay. You ready? Let's go. Bad choice of shoes. I don't even know why I bothered to do my hair because it's pouring out. Are you ready? Do you want to go? Okay, so there's no audio because it connected to my car. Gotta love that. But here's me talking about blah, blah, blah. We're stopping at Target to get my drive-up order. And Riley made a friend with the person who delivered it. And I'm asking her if she's ready to go to PetSmart. And then, oh, her new friend passes by. Oh, Patty. Good girl. Let's go. Let's rock and roll. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Do you want this? Riley, look. Do you want this? Hello? Do you want this? Do you want to squish mommy? Oh my gosh. Come here. Look at these. Look at all these rooms. Okay. There's bones. What do you want? Do you want your toy? Do you want this one? You're inserting your treats, aren't you? You just had one. The cashier gave you a milk bone. You had enough junk food today. Ready? You ready to go? Let's go, watch out. Watch your face. She gave me quite the workout in there. I'm sweating. Like actually. Like I'm actually sweating. Riley pulling me every which way. Oh my god. Good? Was she good for you guys? Oh my god. Package secured. Are we going home now? Look at the nails though. The nails are crazy right now. So of course the audio cut out again. So here's me just talking about what I ordered. You know, train to pink drink, obviously. Unless the cranberry drink is out, because then that's just, oh my god, it's so much better. So sad that it's a seasonal thing, but makes sense. It's cranberry, whatever. So then from Panera, of course, I get the best soup ever created by anyone or anything. The Mexican corn chowder. I always forget the name of it. So here's me looking it up on the Panera app on my CarPlay, which is kind of cool. I didn't know you could do that. You can literally just order food while driving to go pick it up. Mexican street corn chowder. There you go. That's what it's called. It's amazing. It's like the best soup literally ever made. And then of course I get a Caesar salad with the green goddess dressing instead of Caesar, because that dressing is also amazing. And of course you get extra dressing too, because they never give you enough. And of course, Riley is very interested in the food that I got. Shocker. Big shocker.